Mr. Simpson now wants to register a gateway. In the project previously created in the Turck Cloud portal, he opens the Gateways tab. Currently, no gateways are available. He can create a new gateway by clicking on Activate Gateway. Mr. Simpson must now select the device he is using. In this case, it is a TCG20. He must enter the MAC ID and assign the device name, a username, and a password for this gateway. After clicking on Check Entry, an overview of the one-time and monthly costs is displayed, together with the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and code of conduct. By clicking on Order and Activate Subject to a Fee, he agrees to these conditions and registers his gateway. The gateway has now been registered successfully. Mr. Simpson receives a corresponding order confirmation by email. By clicking on Display Gateways, Mr. Simpson will be returned back to the Gateways overview. He can now see Machine 1 as well as the access data for the machine gateway. He must enter this data in the machine gateway in order to establish the connection. The configuration of the gateway is covered in detail in the Cloud Hardware Basic Training.